I'm going to remind you on how to navigate the anchor unit in case you haven't been back to the anchor unit folder in a while. When you're in my course and you've clicked on materials, you need to go to the second folder in my course. This is the anchor unit folder. Now a reminder, these folders are meant to be done from the top to the bottom. So you shouldn't start part 2 until you have completed all of the part 1 folder. And in each folder, there are 4 items that you are supposed to do in order. So you're supposed to take the non-graded pretest first, and although your grade will show up in the grade book, it won't actually count towards your English 7 grade. Then you go to the PowerPoint and you take notes, knowing that all the notes that you take can be used on your assignments and your test. And then you do the 2 formative assignments, the worksheet and the sentence assignment. The sentence assignment is not just graded on if you can use these commonly confused words, it's also graded on your grammar. So now that I have completed all of the items in the part 1 folder in order, I can now go to the part 2 folder and repeat the process, taking the pretest, taking notes, and then doing the 2 formative assignments. And then I would go on to the 3rd folder and so on. The part 2 folder needs to be completed by November 2nd. Then you will have 2 weeks to do the part 3 folder. Once you have completed the part 3 folder, you can finally go to the summative test folder. Now when I open up this folder, the only thing I'm going to see right now is the test information. Because when I open this up, I notice it says you must ask Mrs. Borkerding to open the test. So you need to contact me through Schoology messages or email or talk to me in class, because you must complete the part 1, 2, and 3 folders first, and I will verify that you have done that before I open the test for you. The test will have 50 questions. You can take it 2 times, and you can take it anywhere and any time that you want. So you can take this at home when you feel you are ready. You can take the test at home, which is in fact when I would recommend you do it. You can take it on a Saturday morning, basically whenever you feel that you are ready to finally take this test, because it's summative and will be 20% of your final grade. And you can use whatever notes you wrote while you were completing the anchor unit. Now, if you have questions about the test, be sure to talk to the teacher before you start it, because you only get 2 attempts at it. So, once I have talked to Ms. Borkerding and I've let her know that I have finished all the folders in the test, and she has verified that, when I go back to this folder, I am going to see this. The test will now be visible and I can open it. Again, it's going to have these reminders. You would have already asked Ms. Borkerding. She would have already verified that you finished the rest of the anchor unit. And then I know I have 2 attempts at this test. The test has to be done by midnight on December 3rd. That is the last day of the trimester. And I know that this test is summative. So I'm going to make sure I've got my notes ready, and I'm going to do the best that I can. And I know that if I need to, I can take it a second time and try for a higher score. If you have any questions about the anchor unit, please talk to Ms. Borkerding.